88 score, right in the middle of the junk wax era. Remember, subscribe on YouTube at hyena_6. Shop eBay, hyena6. First out the chute, Rob Deere. Next up, John Cervetti, Greg Walker, Marvell Wynn, Mike Davis, he's got it. Chet Lemon, swinging through. Trash. Jim Morrison, love me 2 times, baby. Kurt Ford, squaring it up. Keith Hernandez, hey Seinfeld. Jose Rio with the pitch. Randy St. Clair, winding up. Greg Booker. Rafael Ballard. Jerry Murphy. Kirby Puckett, GOAT. Juan Augusto. Finish off with Jeff Blauser.